To begin any crochet project, you have to make a slip knot or a magic ring. So I am going to show you how to make a slip knot in 3 different ways. So the first one is you're going to take the tail of your yarn. This is the tail. This is the tail of your yarn. So you're going to place it on any surface, maybe a table. So you're going to place it on that surface and you're going to take the tail, place it above the other parts this way, forming a P letter. So after you've done that, you would then take this circle part, then place it on top of this. Now pull this side and pull the tail as well. So you're going to take your hook, place it in the circle, then pull the tail. Now we have a slip knot. Another way to make a slip knot is you're going to bring your yarn, then you are going to place it above 2 fingers. Before you place it above 2 fingers, you're going to use your thumb to secure it. So you're going to place it here, then bring it again and place it on top of those fingers, forming an X. So let me do that again. You're going to use your thumb to secure it first. Next, you're going to place it above 2 fingers. Then you're going to place it there again, forming an X. So once you've done this, you would use this finger to secure this side as well. So now you are going to take your hook, then you are going to pass it under the first one, bringing out the second one you placed there. Remember that this is the second one, so we're going to bring that out. So we're going to place the hook under this first one and bring out the second one. So you're going to remove your fingers. Now you're going to pull this two, pull this, pull this, pull this. So we are going to drag the tail just to make it smaller. This is the tail. So I'm going to drag the tail just to make my slip knot smaller. So this is what I have. Now the third method is quite similar to the first one. So what you're doing is you're going to take the tail, then you're going to place it on top of this. Then you would bring this, place it on this, then pull this up and drag the tail. So now you're going to put your hook in the middle and drag the tail and this other side. So this is what we have.